So, what we have here is the La Cantina movable wall system. This is a 21-foot opening, and it's also got the movable window system. We had La Cantina design this especially for us, so this is all to our specs. We had Billy Franz install it, because the key to these things being operable in the long term is a square opening and well-shimmed top plates, because all of this hangs from the top roller. But let me show you how this works. So on a nice spring day here in Dallas, you just open this up, slide it away, and then you unlock the bolts here and here. And then you simply begin to push it, and the movable wall system is just that. And now we have our patio access in a 21-foot span that opens and moves out of your way. La Cantina, enjoy.